Today, we uncover the silent revolution happening at sea. Cargo ships, tankers, and superyachts are no longer just metal giants. They are becoming fully connected smart vessels. But with this new power comes new risks that almost nobody talks about. A modern vessel in 2025 is basically a floating data center. Navigation, propulsion, energy, engine monitoring, safety systems, even crew communication, everything is digital. With TECHNAUTIQ Maritime, ships now get high-speed internet even in the middle of the ocean. Sensors stream real-time data to operators on shore. AI predicts failures before they happen. And entire fleets are monitored and optimized from remote control centers. This is the new digital ocean. Inside a connected vessel, every system talks to every other system. Smart navigation uses AI to avoid collisions and choose the best fuel-saving route. IoT sensors watch engines, fuel lines, batteries, tanks, and vibrations. Cybersecurity firewalls isolate the bridge from the crew networks. Starlink, VSAT, and 4G near the coast combine to keep ships online 24/7. For a yacht owner, this means 4K streaming anywhere on the planet. For commercial operators, it means millions saved in fuel and downtime. But the hidden side of this revolution is the growing attack surface. The more connected a vessel becomes, the more vulnerable it is. A ship can be hacked remotely. GPS can be spoofed. Navigation screens can be manipulated. Ransomware can lock down engines, bridge systems, or even ballast controls. Attackers have already used weak crew Wi-Fi to jump into operational networks. Many vessels still run outdated systems with weak passwords, unpatched firewalls, and exposed Starlink routers. This is why shipping is now one of the most targeted sectors for cybercriminals. The future is clear: by 2030, almost every vessel will be permanently connected. AI will manage propulsion and routing. Remote monitoring centers will oversee entire fleets from shore. Zero crew cargo corridors will become reality. Every ship will have a digital twin constantly analyzing stress, fuel, weather, and engine performance. Connected vessels will be faster, safer, and more efficient, but only if cybersecurity becomes a priority. The ocean is entering a new era. Smart ships, smart ports, smart fleets. The digital transformation is unstoppable. But the ships that survive this revolution will be the ones protected against the risks that come with it. Subscribe to TECHNAUTIQ for more insights into maritime technology, cybersecurity, Starlink Maritime, and the future of connected fleets. The next revolution is already underway and it's happening at sea. Like, share, subscribe.